So can I put my home in a trust to hide it from my spouse in an event of a divorce?
You wish. No, you cannot. We do get some people trying to plan for their divorce, and so they will start moving assets.
Hmm.
That is a definite no-no.
Yeah.
And so it'll just cost them more money in the long run because now we're going to have to go through more discovery, trying to pull assets back into the marriage. And so we will have to get the experts involved to say, how was the trust created? And so we'll have to bring an attorney like yourself in to kind of explain because I am a family attorney, but I know I can bring those assets back into the divorce process. And so I will have to consult with you and have you as a consultant in our divorce. And so it's costing all parties more
More
money
money.
than needed.
Yeah. And that's the biggest question we get all the time. We have clients who come and say, well, I'm going to set up an irrevocable trust. I'm going to put my assets in it so she can't touch it. And it's
Yes.
like, that's not how it quite works.
Yes,
You
yes.
can't just hide assets.
People think they can start hiding, and so they'll start doing it maybe a year, a little bit longer than that, maybe between a year or two into thinking of a divorce, they'll start planning ahead. All that can come back into you can't erase, right, what the past held, and there's paper trail, and so
Yeah.
we will see who it belonged to prior to that, and so we will be able to grab that.
But what about a Wyoming trust?
Oh, wow. So again, it's just going to cost you more money. All
Yeah.
that is a marital asset. If no prenuptial or no postnuptial agreement exists,
Hmm.
right? And so if you are starting to hide assets, whether it's from bank accounts, again, there is always a paper trail. And so not even Frank Abagnale can escape that paper trail. You get caught eventually.
Yeah.
And so it's just a matter of time. It may not happen in the first 3 months of the divorce process, but the spouse that does not have that asset knows it existed and
Yeah.
they will be persistent and all that research will come out.
Yeah. And even if they don't know existed, I think like, as an attorney, as yourself, a family attorney, that's your job. That is
Yes.
your due diligence to go ahead and discover those assets. So people would think like, oh, I'm gonna have a Cayman Island trust and all
Yes.
these strategic things. And it's like at the end of the day, she will find it.
Yes.
And
Yes.
you will have
Yes.
to put her the divorce.
We become many forensic
FBI agents.
accountants and we become FBI agents, all that. We definitely, private detectives, we find it all. Because again, it is what you think is easy to hide. You put it away and you think, oh, nobody's going to catch me. We've seen it all before
Yeah,
in all types of divorces. We've seen it all. And so you cannot hide, it'll come out.
it'll come out.